Top of the morning to ya. My beard's a bit pointy. Time to get some work done. I really don't want to work on the car. The bin man hasn't come yet. Bastard. Hello, ladles and jelly spoons. Welcome to late nights. I think this one's gonna be a bit boring. It's all just grinding, getting all the paint off. This is nice and warm today. Not hot, not cold. Warm. Alright, I'm gonna get this crap out. Let's do a stupid time lapse of moving everything. Yay. That'll do me. Whoops. Mr. Bin Man. Dee-dee. Here we go, cold start. Well, that's annoying, isn't it? I don't think I've shown you guys this engine yet. Gave it a bit of a paint up and kind of shaved the engine bay a little bit. It's a bit of a mess, but you know, it's being restored right now, obviously. These are meat. Alright, let's get into some nicer clothes, eh? Whoa! Okay, enough shenanigans. I think we're gonna do a bunch of the back end. Maybe start on that smiley face. See how we go. Just that has taken me a whole hour of grinding just to get that. That's how much bog is on this car. Bog.
Is our dad.
Bit of a dip here, so you gotta be careful. It'll be fine. Bring it down. Dip here. I think that's good. Fucking misery. That's all rust and like mixture of undercoat and spot weld and death. This, look, yummy. There's a spot weld right there. It's interesting because the old Toyotas used braze weld to spot weld in a lot of places, unless that's something, because the original exhaust on this car had braze weld all through it, so I'm thinking maybe it had a whole new panel and a new quarter, which wouldn't surprise me because the front end's pretty crumply. It hasn't been in a big crash, just enough for the mud guards to be all kind of yuck, but that's just misery. And I'm gonna get this spot weld off, and I'll probably maybe grind that out and chop a square, weld in some metal along there for a lip, and that'll give me something to connect this part to when I redo this, because it's just there too. Absolute misery. Misery. That's all ripped up too. Focus. Focus. There we go. Yeah. All this is ripped because of that spot weld. That's just laziness. But I'm gonna see if that's savable. All that needs to be fixed. It's just pure misery and all rusty. There's the wiring harness. Whoopsies. And look at this bolt, it's bent and loose. It's like some weird chassis thing. Probably part of like the tow ball thing that some of them came with. So, yeah. Misery.